Hello YouTube, this is Mark from Millionaire Mindset. Today I want to share with you simple tips that will help you sell on eBay. The first tip is your picture. Be sure to take crisp pictures. Minimize glares. Front and reverse pictures, so a customer will have a clear view of what you're selling. They want to know exactly what they're getting. They're spending their money with you. Customers get excited when they see their favorite items viewed in a really good condition. So condition is the key. And really nice photos that pop, stand out. Thanks for viewing this video. Have a great day.